Hey friends, if you think I'm in the car again, you'd be right. I'm heading into the post office, but this time it's not to deliver product to the post office for Irene's business. It's taking packages for grandkids and other people. Hopefully it's going to be an easy trip. Nice weather, a little light breeze, not a cloud in the sky. Looks really beautiful. Well, the packages are safely delivered to the U.S. Postal Service for their safekeeping and hopefully on-time delivery. I've already had one package go awry. It was supposed to be here on the 9th of this month, and it just got here yesterday. Not quite on time. And by the way, it didn't come to the town we live in, or that we live close to. It actually went to another part of Arizona on the other corner of the state. Hey, it happens. Yeah, the skating ornament.
Yeah, there's a bunch. Well, I bought a whole sack of them when I bought them. Yeah, because we gave them as gifts to the coaches. And then the leftover ones got used for our stuff.
That was a lot of years ago.
No joke.
Putting anything that you've embroidered or crocheted up.
A little higher.
Yeah, because...
Yeah, he has not shown a huge... Rufus, don't lick the sofa. He says, but there's food on there, Mom.
He says, no, everything has to be tasted.
I have to taste it and make sure it's okay. I'm the quality assurance inspector here. I taste everything. It's kind of stuck in there.
Yeah. Oops.
Yep, I knew you were going to do that. You can't yank on those, they come out.
I didn't realize that it was that tight.
Yep.
Thank you. We're starting to run out of room.
Yeah, well, we'll go to, I'll find, there's some more that are not particularly breakable. We'll go down bottom.
I was in at the post office and I was talking to Anthony because he was the guy behind the counter today.
Uh-huh.
You know, our postmaster.
Yeah, I do indeed.
So I was talking with
It's pretty
him.
bad when the post office is small enough that you know everybody who works there, right?
I don't know. Anyway, I was talking to him and he said, oh, there's no worry about getting this anywhere because you've got 2 weeks before Christmas. And I said, Anthony, what day is today? And he said, and I said, how many calendar days is it till Christmas? He said, oh, yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You know it's not good when your postmaster has slipped a gear on dates.
Yeah, well, I think they told us, let's see, today's the 14th. I think the 16th is the last day that they'll guarantee it'll get there by Christmas.
Yeah, I can't guarantee it.
Well, no.
Well, you look what they did with the fuel valve that they shipped to
Apache Junction?
Apache Junction instead of Ash Fork, which is Apache Junction being on the other side of the state.
Yeah.
It's not real convenient.
Yeah, that was really nice of them. Anyway, it's okay, we got it. Okay, that's just a decoration thing.
We're not going to put that
Nope,
up.
that doesn't go on the tree. There should be some pretty unbreakables in here.
There are.
Yeah. These are the ones I always put on the bottom because Isa will sometimes knock those off and steal them.
Well, Rufus doesn't show any inclination to chew on them, which is good.
I did take one stuffy away from him.
Well,
But I
anything
think
that's
that
soft.
she's the one who stole it in the first place.
Yeah, anything that's soft, if it's on the floor, he's going to try to chew it.
Yeah.
He's always going to lick it.
Because he's like, oh, that's my toy. That was an ornament that shouldn't have fallen off because that branch shouldn't have been that whoopee, but it was. There we go. Let's see.
We're running a little bit late this year.
Yeah, we are.
That's okay.
With everything.
We can leave it up longer.
Well, usually I have my village done by now too, for at least a week. But
Well, when we're done with this, we can start on the village.
yeah, I have all the boxes out, so that should go okay.
Let me step over here and see what it looks like. That's a lot of ornaments.
Yep.
Rufus is in his crate under the table, and Isa is on the outside making noises at him.
Yeah. Sometimes he goes and looks in there for him. He's like, why are you in your house? Did Mommy lock you up? And he's like, I'm taking a nap. Leave me alone.
Go away, cat. You bother me.
Yeah, exactly. So it was pretty funny. He did give her that look earlier. It's like, go away, you bother me, kid. Let's see.
Oh. Nope. 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 There's a spot for it. Okay, that's on there now. You should step back and take a peek. I think we have plenty of ornaments on it now.
Yeah, it's getting to the point where it's just about right. The front of the sofa's all wet where the roof is like that. Let's see. There's a few little gaps that need some little things in it. And I told Jennifer, I said, Issa thinks that the water in there is a special bowl for her, just for herself.
It is, and she does this every Christmas.
Every Christmas. Always has. That's why we're always careful that we don't put any chemicals or anything in the water. It's just plain, clean water. So...
The hanger is missing from this one.
Yeah, I'm short on hangers. I probably have some in the bedroom. But I noticed that there were some missing hangers. And some of these things are just really long, which means they're cool for other places. I'll just hang them up other places. We do have some small things that we could put on, which is kind of usually where I go to at this point, where
right.
Any of the gaps up here, and I don't worry about the gaps down there too much because of this little girl that's got a wiggly tail back there. But like, I like it when I get somebody like this because it's so light that we can put him anywhere.
You can put him up. Do you want to put the icicles on it?
Yeah.
Tonight?
I don't know.
I think we should probably start setting up the Christmas village.
We can do that.
Besides, we have a lot of setup to do.
Yep. Icicles are usually something I'll leave over here, and then when you have a few minutes, like you're waiting for the toast to pop or something, you'll go to it.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah. And it gets done magically. Some of this is too heavy. These trees are a little wimpy for stuff. Okay, I'm going to stash those.
I'm going to start moving stuff out of here so we have access to set up the Christmas village.